What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. So today a fairly simple one, but it's super deadly nevertheless. It's this one right here. It's kind of a mix between the Danish Omø and some rubber legs and whatnot, because you know trouts love rubber legs. So let's jump straight to it here. The hook in my vise is from Eric's, of course. It is the NS156, which is one of my favorite hooks. Just super sharp. The shape of it is really nice. It's fairly big. I mean, this is a size 6, but it's quite big for, if you ask, I said this to one of the guys from Eric's once, and I say it's kind of big for a size 6, and he was like, but what is a size 6? And I guess he's right, because the companies decide what is our size 6. But if you compare this one to different size 6, this is a little bit longer, but I like that. So that's that out of the way. For the tail, I'll be using some ringneck rump in a natural color. This one here, see this blue shimmer, really nice. So choose one that is a bit longer here from the bottom, and then this fly will get 3 hackles. So I'll use a long one at the back, a medium one on the middle, and a little bit shorter one in the front, just to get the taper right, because we want that taper to be right, just for the purists, and also it looks good. So let's don't be too hard. Let's not be too hard on the ones who like to follow the rules, okay? It's all just fun and games. So tie this in at the back here. Like so. Get your hackle pliers out. Turns. Also, the trick to this fly is not to overdo it, so you just want it really sparse. Like that. Secure it, a few turns. Stem. Then you want some of these rubber legs. These are silver and fluorescent orange, just to add a little bit of fluorescence to the fly. What I like to do, you can see them here, this orange part is fairly long, so I like to just trim it. So you just have these little tips of orange there. That gets this one in. Just about the same length as the feather here. And then tie them in on the side. Don't worry about this one pointing forwards like that. Get that under control. You can see here what I mean. It's just sticking out everywhere. Get that under control with a little bit of dubbing. Flip this over on itself. Get it over on the other side. This I don't need. Get some dubbing, and I will be using the SLF Squirrel. Get a little bit of your thread here. And then just tie right up against these rubber legs. so, and that will get them to lie down nice and flat like this. And then work your way up to roughly that point there, the middle. Middle of the hook shank. Make sure you get a nice thick layer of dubbing here, so you have something you can brush out at the end. So, grab another feather. So, and if you remembered where you plucked out the last one, you just move up like half to the, the longest ones are obviously down here, and then it will get shorter. So I'll grab one here from the middle. There we go. And then just pluck out the fluff here, you don't need that. And what I like to do is just to push everything back like this, so I can see how much I want. And then this forward pointing one here, I'll just cut that in half, which will give me this nice little triangle to tie in. Catch that. Move your thread out of the way. Same thing. Grab your pliers. Make a few turns here. Secure this one. Cut off the stem. Move your thread up to right around here. Get some more dubbing. Layer in, tie straight up against that feather to kind of push everything back a little bit. But you can really see that the taper here, this feather is just hitting the middle of this one. Around here, you don't want to go all the way up to the hook eye yet, because you want to put in another pair of legs. These I want to be, let's try to hit the middle of the rubber legs you tied in earlier. So get this one on here, and same thing, you will just be tying dubbing on top of this to get it under control. There we go. Clean that up a little bit. Get some dubbing. These rubber legs also have a little bit of silver flakes in them, so if you were wondering about, it's probably pretty hard to see in this video because I'm wearing a gray shirt, but these rubber legs have a little bit of flash in them, silver flakes, so the fly will have a little bit of flash in the mix as well. Fold these back just a little bit, tie in front of that. Then leave like 2 to 3 millimeters of space here at the hook eye, and then let's get the last feather in. Let's pick a nice short one up here, some of that blue shimmer. This one looks good. Same thing. Pull the fibers back like this. Trim off that tip there. Catch that. Hackle pliers. There we go. Tie that off. Then just make a nice little head here. Get the whip finish in. Where is it? Like that. Tying thread off. You can see the stem is poking out a little bit here. Like that. Get your brush out. Then just brush out some of this dubbing underneath here. Go. That is kind of a variation of Omebursten and Eierhöhnen and whatnot. Really cool fly with lots of movement. If you ask me, it has all the right elements in a what we call in Denmark a proper fishing fly. This will fish, I guarantee that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do that. Don't forget the giveaway on the CNF design vise. That's already running. I mean, it'll be running for about a month. I will also donate some of the prize money to good purpose. More fish in it's a local charity for more fish in the Danish waters. So all in all, it's a good cause, and somebody out there will be so lucky and get where is it? Back here. I mean, this is top of the line. It's I mean, doesn't get any better than this. So, and it's a black series. So please check the link in the description and find out how you can win this, and I will see you guys in the next video.